Hi fam, you are welcome to my channel. If it is your first time of coming here, you are welcome. I'm Lizzie, and if you are a returning subscriber, of course you are definitely welcome. If you are not subscribed to this channel, in this channel I make video on beauty, DIY skincare, hair care, and a bit of lifestyle. So if you are interested in this kind of video, definitely click on the red subscribe button down there to subscribe, and also turn on the notification icon so you'll be the first person to know whenever I put on a new video. So in this video I'll be doing a twist out using flaxseed gel, and it's an homemade gel, and my dear friends, it's so good. So if you have not watched my previous video, I suggest you go and watch it after this one, and you get more understanding of what flaxseed gel is all about, because I make video and explain on it. So make sure you check that video out. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get right into it now.
Do you want to know?
The flaxseed gel I'll be using, you can see it's brown because even the seed is also brown. So you can see how brown it is. Small, so I made a small quantity like this. So I have my water here, and I'm just going to spray a little of my hair. So just ordinary water, as you can see here, just to moisturize, not that much. And I'm working in a session. To start, I guess I'll be using it for. I'll use it for like 3 to 4 days. I hope so. Put a little of this moisturizer oil on my hair. Just a little of it. I don't want too much. So a little bit like it in the whole of my hair. So I have my DIY oil here. I will just apply generous amount on my hair. So this oil that I'm using is so much. They are really helping me. They are really helping my hair to stay moisture and to grow my hair. So I will just comb it and put it in a section. And I'm starting from this part here. I'm just going in with a section like so. Some water here. The comb. How the flaxseed gel is. Can you see that? So I'll just apply generous amount on my hair like so. It's very moisturizing, guys. Yeah. So I'll just do a twist out here. So I'll be twisting here like so.
She'll be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live a better day. Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far is the echo. Where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand together, we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. Admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place if we can just find a way. Then we can live a better day. Then we can live a better day. From the anger, from the war, let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live a better day. Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand together, we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place if we can just find a way. Then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. No more hate. Just admit that